Maayong buntag, mga ma'am ug sir. Kumusta na batang tanan? Unta na ata sa maayong kahimtang og himsog ang tanan. So arian na pud ta, nagvideo-video na pud ang inahan. Walay laing mabuhat. So diri nag video lang ko sa moments nako sa akong mga pinalanggang batuting. Nindot kay sa paminaw ning inahan. Kakaron gyud samtang gamay pa sila suliton gyud kay umadako na kita nay manghangyo nga magpahag magpalambing-lambing samtang bata pa sila ato silang lambingon ug ang kinamanghura nagpabudlot-budlot sa simod kay nagsilos man kay iyang kuya mo'y nauna din og lambing-lambing sa inahan. Perti gyud bata partang bida-bidaha.
You are not my son. Why you smiling? Why? It said you are not my baby. Huh? You think that you're not mommy's baby? Why you can't stop laughing? Will you weirdos? Huh? Who's your mom? Because it said you're not my mom. Who's your mom? Huh? Huh? What, new? That's your mom, new?
No, you.
Huh? Look, we're not the same face. What? Look at your face. You're so handsome. Mommy, ugly. Why are you laughing? Oh my god, this kid is nuts. What? See, look at you. You're so handsome. Mommy, ugly. What? You can stop laughing. He go nuts. Why? What do you think, Ezekiel? Who is your mom? Maybe your mom is the most beautiful in men. With his champis. Oh gosh. You can stop laughing. With kitsap in the mouth. Kitsap. Hello. Mauli na.
Cheese.
Bibi ni Mamang. Big boy na ang bibi ni Mamang.
cheese.
Cheese. Cheese. Cheese. Oi!
Cheese.
Cheese. Cheese. Cheese. Cheese.
Chifa.
Oi! Nice song! Ang Ezekiel, oh. Nagyaw-yaw. Nagyaw-yaw si Manong.
Yaw.
Si Yaw-yaw si Manong.
Yaw.
I said Yaw-yaw si Manoy.
Thank you for watching. Gunta, may kita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.